Barbie Angel, and welcome back to my channel. So as promised, I am doing a keto grocery haul. Excuse the way I look. We literally just came back from the grocery store. I just wanted to come on here and show you guys the things that have been helping me lose weight. And just the kind of items I picked up, just in case you guys are grocery shopping and you want to know the things that you can buy to help you on your keto diets. So I am just going to go in and just kind of pick things out and show you guys what I have. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys. So I got these. It's empty because I had to put them in the freezer. But like I said in my last video, I love bread. I love all things carbs. So I need to have like substitutes for carbs here and there that I can just have just in case I, want to make a sandwich, burgers, anything like that. So I picked these up. These are the Smart Bun Beyond Gluten-Free Keto Friendly Plain Hamburger Buns. I got this from a company called, I think it's Smart Baking. I'll leave all the links for the things that I purchased online. I'll leave all the links below in the description just so you guys can check it out. But yeah, I have these. So I am going to try these out for burgers and things like that. The next thing I have from that same company, they have these Smart Cake, they're like little treats, they're like desserts or whatever. So these are the Smart Cake Beyond Gluten-Free Raspberry Cream, 0 carbs, and 0 sugar, 0 starch, and there's 4 Smart Cakes in each box, and I got 2 of those. So I'm hoping this will when I want a snack or I feel like I need something sweet, I'm hoping these will curb my appetite for that, and I'm hoping that they taste good. So I got these as well, and these are from the same company. And then I also got from that same company their Smart Muffin Breakfast Beyond Gluten-Free Chocolate Chip Muffins. So these are just, same thing, they're muffins. Hopefully they will taste good as well. Okay, so for some more bread, I like to kind of try out different companies' breads just to see what I like the most, just so I can stick with it. So from this company is called Sola, and I got their, they're called the Sola Hamburger Buns. They're golden wheat, 6 grams of net carbs, 11 grams of protein, and 10 grams of fiber per bun. And there's 4 buns in each of these. So I got, I believe, one of these. Yeah, I got one of these. Like I said, I'm gonna try this out. I saw a lot of good reviews that these were like the best kind of breads to have on keto, and that they taste, they taste really good. So I'm hoping I'm gonna like them. And from that same Sola company, I got their sweet and buttery bread, just like sliced bread for sandwiches. And then I got their hot dog buns as well, and I got their golden wheat bread. So I got pretty much all of the variety of breads that they have, just to kind of try them out, like I said. And again, you guys do not need to purchase all of these things, but these are just what helps me when I feel like I need to have bread. I feel like I need to have my carbs. I grabbed a bunch of these. So from that company as well, they have low-calorie sweeteners. So when you want to make anything and you feel like you need some sugar with it, these are the low-calorie sweeteners. This one is 1 tablespoon, has 4 grams of carbs and 3 grams of sugar alcohol. So like I said in my previous video, you would just subtract your sugar alcohol from your total carbs. So this is only 1 gram of net carb. You're making teas or any kind of drinks or anything. So I have that. And then so another company that I ordered from online just for like pasta and things. I've tried this company before when I was on the keto diet, and I don't believe I actually tried their spaghetti before, but I've seen a lot of good reviews about this as well. So I grabbed their 2 of their spaghettis, and then I grabbed 2 of their elbow pastas just so I could make like baked mac and cheese. So yeah, so I grabbed 2 of their elbow macaroni and 2 of their spaghettis. And on the keto diet, you definitely can have cheese because it's high fat and all of that. So yeah, I definitely will be doing baked mac and cheese with this. So stay tuned for those kind of recipes and stuff. And then from that same company, I grabbed their hot dog buns as well, and their thin sliced bread, and then their hamburger buns as well, just to kind of try them out and see how I feel about them. And then from that same company, I grabbed their pizza crust just to kind of make pizzas. I love pizza. Pizza is like my favorite food. So I've been craving pizza so badly, especially with quarantine. Even before I started my diet, with quarantine, I'm literally not playing around with this quarantine. I'm not ordering from anything. So yeah, I've been craving pizza a lot. So this, I'm hoping will be filling. So yeah, I grabbed their pizza crust and I'll make my own like homemade pizza. What else? So today when we went shopping, these are the things I grabbed. So I grabbed pepperoni slices for my pizza. And then I grabbed this I think it's, I don't know if it's Rayo's. It's their homemade arrabbiata. It's like spicy like sauce. So I grabbed this. I'm hoping it'll taste good. This has 4 grams of total carb per half a cup of a serving. So this will be pretty good. It's only 90 calories. So I'm hoping that this is going to taste good. I've tried their like their regular like pasta sauce before, but the store we went to, they didn't have any. This is like pretty much all they had. And then they had like roasted peppers. So I just grabbed this one. I'm hoping that it tastes good and it's going to be, you know, something that I like. So it says arrabbiata means angry sauce, and it's a spicy sauce made from tomatoes, garlic, and crushed red pepper cooked in olive oil. And it says it adds spiciness to pasta, meats, fish, and pizza. So I'm excited to try that with my pizza. I'm actually probably going to make the pizza tonight. And I actually grabbed, just for snacking purposes, I grabbed this Kraft expertly paired for snacking Colby and pepper jack cheese strings. And I ate one when we came back in because I was starving, just to kind of break my fast. So I grabbed these just for like snacking in between meals, just so I'm not like grabbing like terrible things. What else? So I grabbed, of course, a bunch of kind of like, I grabbed these romaine hearts just for, you know, my veggie intake, and I grabbed some celery as well. I grabbed organic spring mix with baby greens. So this has romaine, chard, spinach, lettuce, arugula, all of that, and that's in here. So these are for like my veggies and things like that. And then for like the romaine leaves, I'll probably just like, I can wrap those in like burgers and things like that if I don't want to have, you know, bread for the day or whatever. Then I have these organic blueberries. We already have strawberries, so for the blueberries and the strawberries, what I do is I make like smoothies and stuff in the morning just to kind of get that in, just to kind of get my fruit intake in. With the keto diet, like, you really can't have a lot of fruit. So blueberries and strawberries are definitely things that you can have on keto. So I definitely grabbed some of these. And with the strawberries and the blueberries, for strawberry, I have tried it with, I've made like a strawberry cocktail type of thing. And I'll show you guys a recipe on that when I do like my cocktails for keto video, but it is so bomb. And then I grabbed some lemon for lemon water and things like that. Then I grabbed some chopped garlic in soybean oil, so that's this. And this has 3 grams of carbs in it, in 1 tablespoon, and it's 30 calories. So this for cooking purposes. And then I mentioned in my last video, they have keto pancake mixes and things like that. This is the pancake mix that I've been trying. So this is the Good Deeds Still Sweet Pancakes plus low carb baking mix. So you can make, you know, a bunch of different things with this, it looks like, but I've only used it for pancakes. And then I have their Good Deeds maple syrup, and it's sugar-free. The syrup is pretty good. For it to be sugar-free, it's pretty good. It tastes like real syrup to me. I don't feel the difference. With the pancakes though, I feel like before I got my, the sweetener that I showed you guys, I made it without the sweetener, and it tastes okay. Like, it wasn't terrible, but it wasn't like pancakes, you know what I mean? But once I made it with the sugar, I feel like it tasted a lot better. There's other brands of like pancake mixes, waffle mixes, baking mixes that I want to try as well. So I'll keep you guys posted on anything that I find. And then I grabbed some pure beef, 100% pure beef patties, just for burgers and things like that. And I have some carb counter whole wheat wraps for sandwich purposes, any kind of wraps that I want to make. And grab some Pam spray. We have vegetable oil, and we also have like a big box of extra virgin olive oil that I don't want to like pull out, but we have a big box of that as well. And then for condiments, I grabbed the no sugar added tomato ketchup. This is, you know, you can have ketchup on keto, just want to make sure that there's no sugar added to it, so I grabbed this. And then I grabbed a bunch of these, or a couple of these I should say, a couple of these G. Hughes Smokehouse. So this is the sugar-free barbecue sauce, hickory flavored, gluten-free, and only two carbs per serving. So I am excited to try this, just because we were actually going to probably grill soon, and just to have this for grilling chicken and all of that, that's going to be so bomb. I'm so excited to try this. I've heard a lot of great things about this brand. And then there I grabbed his sugar-free steak sauce as well, for that as well. And then of course for breakfast I grabbed bacon. And then for sandwiches I grabbed lower sodium oven roasted turkey breast. And this one is 3 grams of carbs. So I grabbed this for sandwiches. Then I grabbed 2 big things of eggs because I eat eggs a lot on the keto diet. And like I said, I might do the egg fast for you guys if you guys are interested, just to see how that works. But yeah, I grabbed a bunch of eggs, and then I did grab some chicken as well, but it didn't have a label on it, so it didn't have a price tag on it, so we had to put it back. And if you know how outside is, you don't want to go back in the lines to kind of start over. It's crazy out there. So yeah, we just put the chicken back. But we do have these, so I grabbed the Angus beef round cubes for like stews and things like that. I grabbed 2 packs of those for that. And then I also have ground beef, and I have another wrap thing here. I have the Mission Carb Balance whole wheat. So these only have, so these are 30 grams of carbs, but the dietary fiber is 25 grams. So like I said, you would subtract your fiber from your total carbs, so your net carbs in this would only be 5 grams net carbs. And I actually had that from our last grocery run, and I've been having those. They taste pretty good. Of course, I grabbed some butter, a big old thing of butter. Have another pan here. And then I grabbed this organic ginger and sesame dressing and marinade, and it's made with Bragg organic apple cider vinegar. So I'm hoping that this tastes pretty good to kind of put on like salads and things like that, or even I grabbed these mini cucumbers so I can do like cucumber salad. I'm hoping this will taste pretty good. I also ordered apple cider vinegar, which I wish I would have just waited till we went to the grocery store because they had it there and it was a lot cheaper. But I ordered some apple cider vinegar, and that's coming too. And with the apple cider vinegar, I'll just take like a shot of that like morning and night, and that helps as well. So I'm hoping that this will be good. I know apple cider vinegar is pretty like tart, so it's kind of hard to like take it in sometimes. But yeah, so then this, I grabbed some broccoli for veggie purposes. And then for like my drinks and stuff, like I said, there's keto drinks and stuff that you can have. So I've never tried this brand before, but as I was looking up like some new keto things, this is called the Zevia 0 calorie soda. So I grabbed the ginger ale flavor. So this will kind of curb my, you know, when I want some soda and stuff. So that I grabbed. And then I have these I love. I've been drinking these forever. So these are the sparkling ice, naturally flavored sparkling water with antioxidants and vitamins, and it's 0 sugar. So I grabbed the pomegranate blueberry flavor and the kiwi strawberry flavor, just because they're not in this big old one that I have here. So this is a 12 pack, and in here it has the cherry lime, black raspberry, orange mango, and strawberry flavor. So I love the sparkling ice waters, so I definitely had to grab these. And I don't drink them all the time. Like I still, you know, maintain drinking water for the most part. But when I want that sugar and I feel like I need something sweet, I'll have these. And I think these are the last 2 items. I heard so many great things about this, and I need ice cream in my life, especially with the warmer weather's coming and we're in the house and all of that. So I grabbed these Enlightened 90 calorie, 9 grams of net carbs, cookies and cream ice cream. This, I love cookies and cream. That's my favorite flavor of ice cream. So I definitely want to try this, and I'm hoping that it's going to taste good. It has no artificial sweeteners. So yeah, I'm excited to try this. And then I also grabbed the Enlightened Keto Collection Red Velvet 1 gram net carb, just like their pint of ice cream. And this is the red velvet flavor. Just on their website, people were raving about this. So I'm hoping that this is going to taste good as well. So yeah, these are all the items that I got. I'm hoping this is helpful for you guys, just to kind of see the things that you can buy for the keto diet, just to kind of help you guys on your weight loss journey. I'm definitely going to try to do some recipes and things like that once I figure out like how to film it and all of those things. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like these kind of videos, and give me a thumbs up if you guys are interested in recipes and all of those kind of things. So I thank you guys so much for your support. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.